I'm so high I can see the light at both ends of the tunnel. I see the wake of the ferry boat cut a line across the channel. I see a point below me where these wounds have started to bleed. I'm majestic and regal and feel like an eagle, but in fact I'm a seagull. From the culture shock are pounding on a language barrier. From the coast of Calais, across to the white cliffs of Dover. Now there's a sign below me that I'm trying to get you to read. It says, I came 'cause I'm able to soar like an eagle, compared to a seagull on space. Nests on the cliffs where bluebirds once fought a war. There's a manuscript here from the chorus at dawn, the choir master trying to score. Now in choral tradition, it is assumed the nightingales take the lead. But in the cathedral, a convocation of eagles are drowned out by the seagulls on stage. Thank you.